Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin, ready to plan for the week of the 7th through to the 13th, and Lucy is gonna bark. Oh my goodness. So I am decorating with stickers that I got last year actually from Winterfield Studios. She is actually local to me. She is from my city of Edmonton. So always nice to support local sticker shops. So I'm going to be using these stickers in my daily spread. So I'll be using these stickers in my weekly spread. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually white out. I don't normally do this, but just white out the red and even that, as well as that. And this is actually one reason why I'm moving to the sterling ink planner next year, because you won't have the random colors like that. And the funny thing is, it never bothered me, those colors. They never really bothered me until I saw the sterling ink planners, and I'm like, oh yeah, it would be nice to not have to worry about the colors of those. I think I just kind of blanked them out. But I'm putting these days of the week down. I don't normally put days of the week down because I find it's a little bit just finicky. And I try to keep my spreads simple. So, and this will be the first time where I will actually have to use the midnight. Although now that I'm using it, the midnight, this part of the day should actually be here because it's technically the 11th. But I'm going to go into more detail about that later. So putting these down, and then here we go. Manicure, I have to remember that for sure. And then I'm going to put this down like this, even though it should go down like this, but I'm gonna put it down like this. And put this down here. And then I feel like I can put, whoops, this here because of what's happening. Now that looks weird just like that. I'm going to add, oops, some of this washi. Like it has its own washi holder so that I can remove it easily like that. And there we go. Because normally I would be writing meals down here, but what is actually happening, and I won't be writing meals down for Thursday, I guess. And it looks crooked now. But what is happening is that the kids and I are leaving for Ottawa as of Friday the 11th, just after midnight. So Thursday night, early Friday morning. Yeah. So, okay. Let's go put other stickers down here. I'm already so distracted. I'm like, what am I doing? I'm going to, where are the other stickers? Maybe I could use some along the top. So maybe, these are all pretty, but I don't know if I could end up using all of these. So what I think I'm gonna do is, you guys are gonna get sick of this washi before the end, because I'm just gonna keep using it. Ah, that's okay. And like so. And then I'm gonna add this one here. And then maybe this one like this, or like just put it down. Why is that so hard? I think I'll put down this one over here. Get those two out of the way so I don't use any more of those. And then these are more functional versus these ones are more decorative in my mind. Like I like that. But I don't think that actually will work where I want it to go. I'll use this one and place that here. Okay, so a little bit haphazard, but I think it'll work well. So let's see, I'm gonna take one of these and place it here because that is where I'm going to track my sleep score. And just taking my Tombow Food and Escape brush pen, and then oh, I didn't fill anything out in here because I'm still going to be tracking meals there. Okay, and I'm going to use my Zodiac Pen Co. in Abalone, and this has Diamine Celadon Cat, and I think this one matches perfectly. And I have to say that I have been working on filling out the sleep score, so be proud of me. But my sleep hasn't been that great this week. Like I think I had one of my lowest scores, which was like a 69. Oh boy. Then I'll use another one of these on this side for workouts. Although workouts are going to be weird because I won't have my workout video or all my weights while I'm in Ottawa. So I don't know. I don't know what will happen, but I do plan on going for lots of walks. So what I think I'll do, I'll also use my Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0 and just add in the days of the week. And then as I go, I will write in what I've done, etc. Perfect. Okay. So then work. Not working that day, working that day, working that day, working that day. Yes. And then we leave. Am I excited? I think I'm excited. Very, very excited. So I need like a day off sticker or something. And I think I do have a day off sticker somewhere. This is like the whole pile of stickers from my shop that I've used throughout my whole 2 years as a sticker shop. And wow. There's some stuff that, oh, month stickers this week. There's some stuff that piles up in here that I just kind of put away and not look at again. Oh, no, that's to do. Oh, there's a day off sticker. See, I knew I would find one. Oh gosh, my brain. Okay, day off. And I'm gonna use tweezers because it might be that these are, oh no, they're okay. Oh, I feel like these were some of the first ones that I used. Day off. Okay, I'm not gonna write anything in there except for meals down here. And then Tuesday, I can use one of these for work. And using my fountain pen to draw in my work shift. It's going to be a strange week as well because the company that I work for are granting the employees something called an unplugged week. So there's a whole week where the company is off. However, because I work in the call center for customer service, we can't be closed. So half of us are going on the unplugged week this week and the other half are going on the week of the 14th. I am in that group that is going on the 14th, and I am very excited about that. Oh, I smudged it. But basically, yeah, it's gonna be a weird week in the office because half the people are gonna be away. So it will also be probably very busy in terms of the amount of calls we get in. And then Thursday, this pen. So there's going to be things that are different this week. One, my husband is not going to pick up groceries on this day because he, to 1 o'clock, because it's just going to be him at home. So he will just fend for himself, really. Then I'm going to put, I need my mini icons. And make sure I'm still recording. Wow, 10 minutes already. I need the clock icon. And this week is also, I have to buy the kids' school supplies. And there's just a lot going through my head at the moment of things that need to get done this week. So 11:30. Brights. Manicure. Okay. And then I'm going to put our flight details here. I'm not going to put them on while I'm on YouTube. And then I'm going to leave these days blank. Oh, but we also have to put out the garbage. Always have to put out the garbage. So I don't actually have to meal plan or order groceries because my husband will kind of plan his own, you know, what he's planning on doing. So definitely a weird week, but we're excited. We're excited. Yeah, and then basically with my unplugged week, I got an email from Air Canada saying they were having a 20% off sale for flights to, you know, in and around Canada. And I thought, well, Henry's never been to Ottawa, so let's go. Okay. I don't know if there's anything else I can add in here just yet. I know that I do have to go school supply shopping with the kids, and it might be Tuesday evening after work. I think I'm gonna do that so that it's in the plan, get it done. Wednesday will be probably last bit of laundry and packing. So, hold on, school supply shopping. And you're probably asking, when do my kids go back to school? September 5th. 6th? Wait. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Yeah, September 5th. But I like to get my school supply shopping done, and because we're gone, it's better that we go earlier. Okay. Then I will need to film, but also pack and, oh, my brain. Goodness gracious. I know I have vacation stickers as well that I haven't used in a while or ever. Vacation. The thing is, we're not going to a beach. So, oh, and I have to decide what stickers I want to take, if any. Travel. Oh, camping. That was when I thought we were going camping. Okay. Although the colors don't match. Take pictures, Adventure Time, book tickets. Where's a packing sticker? 7 more days, 1 more day, book tickets, Adventure Time. Let's do this. I'm gonna put Adventure Time up here. And then I'm gonna put the suitcase right here. And the blue matches. That's nice. So, laundry and pack. And I know some of you are like, you pack the day before you leave. And I'm like, yeah, it's okay. I will also have to do some filming in there as well, but also work on orders all day. Okay. I think that is it that I can put in for now. Anything else will kind of just be added when it happens. But you guys know that, you know, my plan with me is, my plan with me is when it comes to the weeks that I go on vacation, it is mostly decorative because I want to leave it open for when we actually go and kind of fill it in as a memory planner. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.